If you ever needed to remove Google account from your iPhone, then this is the video you need to watch. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to remove Google account from iPhone. In order to remove Google account from iPhone or iPad, what you have to do is you have to first of all look out for any of the Google apps that you are using on your device. For example, I'm using Google Translate here or Google app and Google Maps, so I can use any of these apps to remove Google account easily, and that is the simplest method. So let's start with the simplest one, and after that I'll also show you another method. So let's just open Google Translate here, and after that you have to tap on your profile icon in the Google app, and no matter whichever Google app you select and open, you can find the profile icon in that easily. The interface will be similar, and you can tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. So tap on that, and after that you get to see the accounts that you have logged in into the Google apps. Here you can see I have logged into multiple Google accounts here in Google Translate, and under those accounts you can also see there is the option to manage accounts on this device. So I can tap on this to manage accounts, and from here I get the option to remove the Google account from this device. So here you have to select the Google account that you want to remove from this device. If you want to remove all of the Google accounts, you can remove each of these one by one, or if you want to remove specific one, then you can also tap on remove from this device option just below that account, and after that just confirm to remove, and your Google account will be removed. As you can see, this is removing account, and after that this has been removed. And similarly you may remove other Google accounts as well, like this, by tapping on remove from this device option and then confirming to remove. But I'm not going to remove all of the Google accounts from this device right now. And you know what? This is the simplest method to remove Google account from iPhone or iPad. But you shouldn't rely only on this method, because this only removes Google account from Google apps that you have installed on this device. Apart from that, the Google account can also be logged in into other places on your iPhone or iPad. And in order to remove Google account completely from those places as well, you'll have to look out for them individually. So let's see where you should find your Google account if that is logged in or not. So just minimize this, and after that go to settings. And once you are in settings of your iPhone or iPad, here you have to scroll all the way down, and there you'll find apps. So tap on apps, and after that you have to scroll a bit and you'll see the option for contacts. Tap on contacts, and there you can see there is contacts account. So if you ever logged in with Google account inside contacts to just import your contacts from Google, then you can find your Google account here as well. So tap on contacts account, and you can see there is a Gmail account here as well along with iCloud. So I can tap on this, and after that I can choose to delete account from here, and that will remove Google account from contacts on iPhone. And don't worry, this won't delete Google account completely. Instead, this will only remove Google account from here, and your Google account data like contacts will be removed from this device. And apart from that, you should also look out for your Google account logged in inside mail as well on your iPhone or iPad. For that, let's just open settings, and after that scroll all the way down and tap on apps. Then go to M section, and there you will find mail. So tap on mail, and there you will find mail accounts here as well. Tap on that, and here you get the same interface for removing of Gmail account or Google account. So you can see there is one Gmail account here as well. So I can tap on this and then tap on delete account, and after that confirm to delete this Google account from this iPhone, and that will be deleted and removed from this device. So this way you may remove Google account from your iPhone or iPad. And by the way, if you want to learn how to delete all Google search history on your iPhone or iPad, then make sure to tap here to watch this video. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.